Oh, he got off. Alright guys, Dan down here behind Lustig Park, and I just threw out a bait and I got a fish on. I figured I'd turn the camera on. Oh nice, little northern pike. Came right off and he hit the little baby brush hog. Alright guys, so I decided to try a different bait and I got one. Tried a jointed fire tiger color lure. So I think it's a Rapala. Come in here. Looks like a decent smallie. Oh yeah, that's a pretty nice smallie. Let me work on getting this hook out of him, and I'll show you guys. Come on. There we go. Let me rinse him off a little bit. Oh, he got away. Alright guys, I got something else here. Let's see what this one is. It feels kind of heavy. It's on a swim bait. Oh, it's another smallmouth. Awesome. No, come here. There you go, another little smallmouth. And this little tiger fire colored swim bait. It's a pretty smallmouth. Alright buddy, you go on back. Alright, here we go. We got a little itty bitty bass. Hi buddy. Alright guys, there's you a little, is that a little largemouth? Very, very pretty. There's a good picture of him, about 3 inches, 4 inches. Why don't you go back and tell your mommy and daddy to come and bite? Let's throw it back down there. He hit it like a freight train. I thought it was something bigger than that. It was so tiny. And my feet are sinking while I'm standing here because the water's washing over the rocks right in front of me. I'm slowly getting into the water. Oh, that's something. Come on, take it. Oh, I missed him. And my bobber slid all the way down the line. That's what happens when you only clip it one time. Move the bobber back. Looks like we still got a waxy, and let's put it back over there. Alright. Come on, little fish. Oh, it popped a sec. Usually when it pops up just a little bit, there it is. Oh yeah, got another little, another little bitty largemouth. Oh, he's so cute. You need to be like 500% bigger, bro. Oh, he's bleeding a little bit. Got him right in the top of the nose. Alright buddy, you go on back and it's funny. I'm not gonna keep fishing for them. They're so small. I don't want to accidentally gut hook one of them and end up killing them. I want them to live. I don't want. Just caught an acrobatic smallmouth. Oh, come here. Oh, damn. Yeah, keep jumping. That makes it easier. All right. Oh, she's barely hooked. Stop swinging sand at my face. Oh man, nope, I lied. That is not barely hooked. That is extremely hooked. Come on. There we go. Got her for you. Let's get rid of some of this. Oh, she's a pretty one. Nice smallmouth. Let's go ahead and put her back. There you go, baby. Oh, there's one. Oh, what did you have me hooked on? That was ridiculous. As far as I know, there isn't a log or anything out there. I don't know what it was stuck on. Alright guys. So that's it. I'm going to call it a day. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. I'll see all you guys in the next video.